Ever notice some imported products costing more than usual? That's often because of tariffs. A tariff is a tax that a government charges on goods coming from another country. The importer pays it, and usually the extra cost ends up in the price you pay as the consumer. Here's a simple example. Imagine the US puts a tariff on imported steel from Canada. Steel costs more for US companies, so things like cars or kitchen appliances that use steel can get pricier. Tariffs aren't just about money, they're also used to protect local businesses or respond to trade issues. For instance, if one country adds tariffs on another's goods, the other country might do the same in return. Right now, tariffs are affecting products like toys, clothing, and even solar panels from other countries. That's why you might notice prices creeping up in stores. In short, tariffs are taxes on imports. They make foreign goods more expensive, protect local industries, and sometimes spark trade disputes. But they're a key part of how global businesses work.